All right, chefs, the theme for your first stakeout is from the sea.
Ooh.
Your 45 minutes starts right now.
Get it.
Hi.
Listen, I'm here to make your day.
Okay.
I'm in a food competition, and I would love to make you an offer that you cannot refuse.
Okay.
About how much you spend on your groceries today?
Oh, let's see.
Let me give you 140 bucks.
Making 160.
This shopper's trying to hustle Chef Cal, and I don't like it. Can you meet me in the middle, 150, brother?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
get
get you in the mood.
Oh my God. Calvin, I hope you got what you
There
wanted.
you go.
Holla! Woo! All right, let's see what we got. Chocolate chip cookies. Can't do much with that. Okay, some hot dog. Oh, wow, a lot of hot dogs. Chicken. They were doing a serious barbecue. Chili, chicken noodle soup, mushrooms, pepper.
You got eggplant, lettuce, onion, garlic, chicken. I need fish. Fish sauce. That's something with fish, that's awesome. Some wine, orzo. Oh yes.
Milk, cereal, cat food, onions, ramen, and egg drop soup. Not the kind of fish I'm looking for. Oh. Sushi!
Celery, eggs, onion, avocado, mayonnaise. So far, I see everything but fish. All right.
What else you got?
There's some parsley, capers, oh, lemons, and fish oil.
Oh!
Hit it with some ricotta. My risotto. Tastes delicious.
Ah! Oh no, they got a little charred. Instead of serving 3 individual breads, I'm gonna take the one that looks good and I'm gonna cut it into 3s.
I'm gonna add some garnish. Oh, isn't that pretty?
Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right!
That was rough.
Chef, how's things?
Wonderful.
Good to see you.
How you doing?
Tell us what you made, Chef.
Right here, we have Chef Cal's seafood rice.
Chef Nancy, tell us what you made.
It is a egg drop ramen, and deep fried the ramen.
So this is a roasted flounder with a orzo risotto with some grilled eggplant.
I made a sour cream flatbread with a sardine aioli, and then I did a sardine and parsley salad.
Obviously, you know one of you will not be moving on to the next round, and that chef is. Chef Eric, I'm sorry.
Oh, man.
The theme for your second stakeout is cheat day dish.
She's a cheat?
Cheat.
That's my first name.
Cheat. Cal, in your case, also cheap. Your 45 minutes starts right now.
Oh, let's go. Woo! Check it out. Will you make a deal? Can I buy them for 50? It's a great deal. It's a beautiful day. And I'll give you a shoulder massage, like 2 seconds. I'm really
A
good.
massage?
Yeah.
Come on, come to Nana.
You're the best.
Yeah, deal. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Come to Nana.
He's giving her a massage. I like you already.
All right, thank you.
Don't want to drop it? Let's go.
This is crazy. Like,
Okay, I got some eggs, all-purpose baking mix. I see a waffle on the front. Okay, I definitely don't need these. Woo! Cherry pie filling. What is this? Pollo chicken strip fry. Oh, buttermilk, yes!
scallions, cilantro, limes, eggs, buns, and ground beef. All right, I'm thinking I'm definitely gonna do a burger.
I got cookies, I got chocolate chips, powdered sugar, graham cracker, peanut butter, bananas, cream cheese. That's real.
Ooh. This is just cheat day central at Nancy's. That's what I'm gonna call this episode. Cheat day at Nancy's.
Cheat day at Nancy's.
That actually sounds pretty good.
Hey, Mr. Pan, come with me. We're gonna have fun. Now I need to start working on my eggs sunny side up. Cheat meal, a little extra cholesterol. Okay, time to check on that waffle. Need a fork? Please be beautiful. Please. Yes! Oh my God. I really couldn't even imagine a more beautiful waffle. The waffle is perfect. Yes.
All right, I gotta take these off though. Whoa. My burgers look like they might be overcooked. A fried egg on it never hurts. So hopefully the fried egg will make up for that. It's It's gonna get that like ooey, gooey, lusciousness that's missing on the burger.
90 seconds, chefs.
Cheat day. I gotta make this thing sexy. My waffle, chicken. Gotta have a little butter, because it's cheat day. Sometimes you gotta have the sauce on the side.
I gotta focus.
Get it
Come
done,
on, Nancy,
please.
finish up.
Gotta get my chocolate. Sloppy.
I really don't want to bust this yolk.
Natalie, that burger actually looks really good.
Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Gotta make it look pretty.
4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Good job.
Good
All
job,
right.
guys. That was a good round.
Chef,
Welcome to my kitchen. I call this Chef Cal's crispy chicken and cherry waffles.
Well, we have a peanut butter mousse and a graham cracker crust.
We have a double stacked burger with a Southwest mayonnaise and a fried egg.
Cal, Natalie, both of you made the same mistake where your proteins were both overcooked. But Cal, what you did with that cherry topping really put it over the top. So, we're sorry, Natalie.
Your final theme is on a stick.
On a stick.
Something has to be on a skewer. You guys have 45 minutes to shop and cook, and your time starts right now. All right!
Strip steaks, chicken breasts, pineapples, ranch, and onions.
I got salmon. I got a vinaigrette. I got pineapple. I got onion. And I got red bell pepper. I'm going in. I'm going in.
She's going to get another pineapple.
No way.
I'm looking for something they've dredged their salmon in.
Yogurt, yogurt.
How much time is left?
Which way? Dairy.
Where is Nancy?
Where is Nancy?
I'm looking for yogurt. Greek yogurt. Here we go.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
Keep the change.
There she is! Nancy, let's go, Nancy! Let's go, Nancy! Let's go, Nancy! Let's go, Nancy!
I got yogurt.
Yogurt?
30 seconds left!
It's time to play these bad boys. So I take my skewers, put on a steak, chicken, pineapple, and pickled onion. I stick it in my base and have my skewers floating up in the air vertically.
I think for skewing a flaky piece of fish, I did a pretty good job. It's still on the stick.
Get that yogurt on there!
I'm gonna put a little sprinkle of sumac on it.
Get it on the plate! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
Chefs, you each made your dishes on a stick with ingredients you bought from total strangers.
True.
Cal, what 5 ingredients did you buy and what did you make?
I made a tropical skewer with a ranch trio. With a pineapple, a red onion, chicken, New York strips, and ranch dressing.
I made a champagne vinaigrette marinated salmon kebab with salmon, red bell pepper, champagne vinaigrette, and a yellow onion.
You went back in the store for what?
Yogurt, because I have used it in seafood applications.
In the battle of the pineapples today, one chef came out on top. It's a nail biter. Today's supermarket stakeout champion is Nancy.
Thank you.
Judges loved the flavor on your dish.
Thank you.